What's going on? My name is Michael Petty, and if you are looking for a funnel that you can use for Exitus Elite, you don't have to create it unless you want to learn how to create your own funnels for your Exitus Elite business. If you were to grab Power Lead System and you get that through the link in the description, you're going to get access to my copy and paste swap file. If you scroll all the way down to the bottom of the copy and paste swap file, there's a share code. That share code right here, you enter in the back office of your Power Lead System. To show you where that is, click on websites, click on my sharing codes. Then when you go to my sharing codes, you enter that share code into this box right here. And what you would get in that share code is all these capture pages, email campaigns, and some sales pages that I created. Here's one of the pages right here I created. You can also get this one. You're going to also get this one. You can choose any of those capture pages if you want to use them. Okay. You're also going to get this sales page that I created, which has the 6-minute presentation. When you enter that share code, it's going to be coded to you. So we'll have your name right there already coded. The only thing you would have to do is make sure you link the Genesis library to your Exitus Elite Genesis library link. The testimony to your link. The copy and paste file is already there. And you want to make sure that you link your join button to Exitus Elite. It will have your picture, your name, your phone number, and your email address. Whatever you place inside is already coded to you. The only thing you got to do is make sure these links go to you so you will get the credit. But I highly suggest you creating your own sales page, branding yourself every step of the way. Okay, you're also going to get an email campaign that's already done for you, right? It's coded to you, so you will get the credit. But again, I highly suggest that you get in there. When you start getting results, you add in proof and progress. When you click the link in the description, you're going to come to this page. Now, this page I created is going to promote Power Lead System and it's going to promote Exitus Elite. And you will see how I'm branding myself every step of the way. Pay very close attention to the emails you're going to be receiving and see how I'm branding myself, showing progress, showing proof, and showing results. If you're in Exitus Elite, you want a done for you funnel, or you want to create a funnel that's branded to you instead of using capture pages that every single person in the company have. Brand yourself, because people join people. People join the person that they constantly see, constantly hear, that's giving value. That face, that voice is being embedded into their brains. So make sure people are seeing you. Make sure you get out. Make sure you get seen. Make sure you're getting heard. So that's all I want to say in this video. Go ahead and click the link down in the description. Come to this page, enter your email address. You're going to get access to Power Lead System, and you're also going to get access to Exitus Elite. My name is Michael Petty. See you in the next video.